actually the Cham, the sacred dances that we played here, it's only a small portion of what we do in Tibet. In Sakya Monastery, there are many different types of sacred dances, but the main one is associated with the Drupchen of the Vajrakila, or the main practice, because Vajrakila is a very elaborate practice, and during the 7th month of Tibetan lunar calendar, the full month we perform the Vajrakilaya. So in the beginning part, there is a very long sacred dances to bless the earth where the mandala is going to be built and blessed. And then before we build the mandala, we have the full through the dances, the whole sadhana. I mean, starting from the blessing the ground, and then from the space mandala to the 4-element mandalas and full celestial mansion, and then inside with this the Vajrakilaya with the mother consort, and then 10 wrathful deities, and 20 emanations, and the 4 door guardians. Each of them we have a one movement, so that not only that you visualize yourself in the form of a deity, but also you do the movements. The main practice of Vajrayana is the true process, the process of emanation and the process of completion. And so the process of emanation is done through the sacred dances. So this is all the part that the black hat dance that we do here is only a beginning portion of that dance. And then after the dance, we build the sand mandala, and then we do the full month of Vajrakilaya rituals. Then at the end of the ritual, we'll do what we call the wrathful dances. And there you have these nyungchams. Nyungchams are like two, it's like a pair, just pair, 2 people alone. And they represent like the 20 emanations, and 4 door guardians, and 12 Vajrakilaya protectors. And then after that we have the full Vajrakilaya deities with the mask. And the wrathful Vajrakilaya is not in human form, but in the dog face. And then with that we have all the 10 wrathfuls and the 20 emanations, 4 door guardians, each of them with the different heads with mask. And with that we perform the wrathful ritual to disperse all the obstacles and evil forces. And then after that we completed the main practice. And there are four days of dances. In the beginning 2 days, and at the end of the puja 2 days. And the first one is just for rehearsal. The monks dance not with the costumes, but with the actual robes, normal robes. And then on the second day, with the full costumes, they dance. The principal deity of the Sakya school is Vajra. And that is from the new tradition. But Vajrakila is originally from the Kern tradition. And so that has very elaborate rituals. Because, the Sakya school was founded by the Kern lineages. And the Kern lineage were believed to be the direct descendants of the celestial beings. And then later, when Guru Brahma Sambhava came from India to Tibet, Kern Nagantara Rakita was the first Tibetan to receive the full bhikshu ordination. One of the 7 Tibetans who received the first time to full bhikshu ordination, Buddhist bhikshu ordination. And also he received the Vajrakilaya empowerment and related teachings from Guru Brahma Sambhava. And since then, the Kern lineage's main practice was the Vajrakilaya and Hiruka. And then after many generations, during the time of Kern Kunjo Gyalpo and his elder brother, that they felt the time has come to start a new school, and then the Sakya school was formed, and they concealed all the old teachings. So we still going on the ancient tradition of Bajra Kilaya.